going on?
Huge shark out here.
Who's on this? Where's he gone?
They just sit on the top like that?
Yeah.
Wow. Sweet.
Neutral.
My safety. Did you see that?
So nice.
Oh, it's incredible.
This is incredible. Getting fired up. Those got one, they're getting all fired up.
Oh man. Oh, feeling fantastic. I had to get out of the water. I'm feeling so sick. The boys are just having a dive now. I'm Bodie, but man, my stomach's been playing up this morning. I'm pretty seasick. We went offshore and I managed to get a nice dolphin fish. There were heaps of dollies swimming around. Really epic, but we've sort of come back to the rocks here now. And there's no wind, but the swell is unbelievable. I should probably get over and get back over near these guys. At least the chicken crimps are helping. Just having a quick flick. I'm feeling a bit better. But man. Cheers. What's up guys? We're just back of mine after an epic day of diving, and in here we've got some fish in the esky, some cooking equipment, butane gas stove, and basically Brooke and I are just gonna head down to the point and cook up the Tusk fish that Chris got. I don't think we got footage of that unfortunately, but he got a nice sized Tusky and we've whacked the fillets off it, and we're just gonna cook that up, watch the sunset, nice and cruisy, and then I'll cook up this dolphin fish for you tomorrow. I'm thinking of doing an epic smoked sort of recipe, so we'll get on to that. But basically, car's packed, Brooke's just grabbing some oil, and we'll hit the road. So we just rocked up to the beautiful sunset. Perfect timing. Got the butane gas stove, got the fish, got all the ingredients, even more than usual. Just don't have a pan. We're 100% gonna miss the sunset, but I mean, just soak it in for a second now, and we'll be back as quick as possible.
In darkness.
Let's go. All right, so we're on the race against the sunset, but we're actually parked in by the cops. Apparently someone was caught with undersized fish. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
We're back of mine, and we thought, look, we've completely just missed the sunset. We're just gonna cook the fish here. So I reckon we just whack it. What do you reckon? On the back of the of the ute? We're just cutting this up into the fish steaks. I've been enjoying that recently, so we'll get back in here. Alright, you want to crack the eggs in? Oh, by the way, you guys may have noticed this hat doesn't have a logo on it, and that's because this is one of the sample bucket hats, SHOREHAWK bucket hats. So I've been wearing this around today. You may have noticed it. It's not ready yet. There's still a few things I want to change about this one, but pretty much, yeah, it's pretty damn good. So we're getting close. We're getting close to the release of that. So yeah, it's pretty damn good. We're getting close to the release of this. Yeah, so pretty much the important thing is it goes flour, egg, then breadcrumbs.
Oh,
hell yeah, that's ready. All right. Nice and evenly.
Yep. And
then drop it real nicely in the oil. Oh my goodness. Guys, we're literally, it's right at sunset. We missed it, but if you look up, wow. It's so beautiful up there. Anyway.
Oh, it smells so good.
They're gonna cook really quick. I gotta like,
yeah,
we don't have anywhere to put them.
You gotta get into action. Oh, Nick. Where's your tongs, mate? Where's your tongs?
This is right next to it. Man.
Oh, we need a flip. ASAP.
Yep. Look at them. You've done the batter so well. They're ready. Yeah, some of these are ready.
I think we're running out of ashes.
Need more ashes?
Yeah.
It's in the green container.
Okay.
They look like chicken nuggets from McDonald's.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's a little guy.
probably a little bit small, but
Alright, gotta go get
Alright.
things.
go wash those. I'll finish this up. Guys, it's literally just like, it's looking more delicious than ever. And we got some lemon and Kewpie, so just can't go wrong with this one. Those ones are nearly done. Yeah, no lemons, so we got this lemon juice and the Kewpie, but check out that. That's just from the Tusky. And we still have dolphin fish to cook up, so I reckon we sit down on the old tire and eat this up. And we've both never had Tusky, so this is great. Grab a seat.
All
Get
right.
that lemon juice on. Oh, that's my leg.
Oh.
Not too, don't drown it, but actually no, drown it. Yeah, that looks good. That's heaps. All right, get the Kewpie on there, and please don't put the Kewpie down my leg. It's dripping off me everywhere. Oh my, that's it. That's it. Oh, look at that sky.
Oh, look at the moon.
So nice. All right, first bite.
All right.
Tell me what you think. Oh, you would take the big one. Might be a bit hot.
Mmm.
What do you think?
Mmm. Get into it, babe.
Oh,
Oh my god.
If it's as good as they say.
Mmm. Kewpie makes it so good.
We got an epic little, like, what, 1/8 of a moon in the corner there. and this fish is just going down like, I don't even know what. It's so damn tender.
It's like butter.
Oh my goodness.
What can I say? Fabulous cook.
We're gonna finish it all off, don't you worry about that. What a day.
Nice job. Well done.